Hi everyone. Let's talk about the policy in a FortiGate firewall. So, what is policy? A policy is basically a rule or set of rules that tells a firewall what traffic is allowed and what should be blocked between the networks. That is means if this is my firewall and it is connected with the three networks, this is the wide area network, this is the DMZ, and this is the local area network. So the policies decides that which traffic should be forwarded to which devices. So that is all will be allowed by the policy. The policy in the firewall not only allow but also used to deny the traffic. So both of these can be possible with the help of policies. Okay. Now let's see how we can create a policy in a firewall. Okay. So here in this left column, you will find the policy and object. So you have to click over the policy and object where you will find the policy. Okay. So click over the firewall policy, this icon. You can see how many policies are already created. So this is by default available policy in every single firewall. So well, there is no other policy created. Okay. Now let me tell you how we can able to create a policy in a FortiGate firewall. So you have to click over the create where in the options, you can click over Create New. By clicking over the Create New, you will get an option to create the policy. Okay. So let's click over the Create New. Okay. So in very first, it is asking the name of policy. What policy you want to create. Okay. So I will mention any random name over here like Internet Policy. Policy. Okay. I'm just giving a random name for the random name over here. Okay, now second incoming interface. So you have to mention that which interface is incoming. Here in this we have two options. What? Either you can select the interface or you can select the zone also. Two options are available. Okay. So incoming interface I will select as the local area network. Okay. As we can see in my topology, okay, local area network is the incoming interface connected to them. Okay. Now, let's talk about the outgoing interface. Okay. Which one is the outgoing interface, dear all? The outgoing interface is the wide area network. Basically, for the internet, I'm going to select the wide area network. Okay. Now, what is source? If I talk about the source, when I click over the plus button, I will get lots of options over here. What are these? All, fabric device, firewall, Gmail, and so on. What is this? Basically, a source is that where the traffic is coming from. It can be IP, network, or user. Okay. So basically, I can create a user with the help of IP address. Like I just want to allow a single person to the internet. Okay. Like 192.168.10.2 can we communicate to internet. So I will allow only a single user on the behalf of this IP address. Okay. How we can do that? I will go to FortiGate. Okay. I will click over create. Create new IP address. What I will give the name? User 1 in local area network. So it is asking me type. Just type. I will click over subnet. We can also provide the range of IP address. Okay, well, I just want to allow single person, so that is why I will select only user one LAN. Okay, IP address is 192.168.10.1 and having I will mention here 30 to submit on the single person. Okay, interface allow. So which interface is this? Where it is connected, on which interface it is connected to the local area network. Now I will click OK over here. Okay. So in the source, I will mention here user one LAN. In the destination, I will mention here wide area network, or I can click over all. Okay. Now let's talk about the destination. So in destination, you can select where the traffic is going, where you want to divert the traffic. Okay. Next is what? Service. So which service you want to allow for this specific internet? HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, and so on. So for now, I just want to use internet on that. Okay. So on service, I will click over what? HTTP, HTTPS, and DNS. Okay, let's select the DSCP also if you want to provide the IP address. Okay, that's it. So I have selected four different services. Well, you can select as many as services as possible. Okay, by clicking over the plus button, you can add more services. And if you want to allow all, you can click over all. That's it. All will be automatically allowed. Okay, now let's move further. Okay. So firewall options are available here. Net. You want to use the net? Yes. Without net, we can't able to connect to wide area network. Okay. I'm using what? IP pool configuration by default outgoing interface I'm using. Well, I can use also the dynamic pool IP address. Okay. If you want to add the security profile like antivirus, web filter, DNS, you can also allow that in the policy. Okay. File filter. If you want to do SSN inspection, yes, we can do the certificate inspection. Okay. Log allowed. Yes, you can capture the traffic with the help of this logs and report. Here we can observe that. Now I will click over. Okay. So you can see that my policy is created in between what? My PC and the wide area network. So I have created a policy in between this PC and the wide area network to run the internet. Okay. So let's see, is my PC 3 VPC is running the internet or not? Or only single PC is running the internet? Okay. Can able to communicate to internet. So how we can do that? I will double click over here, open this one. Okay. Now let me go to Google Chrome. Yeah, it is already running over here. So let me open the google.com. Google.com. Here you can see I can able to use internet, right? Wikipedia. If I'll search anything, so I can able to use the internet on my this PC. Okay. Let us see. Can I able to use the internet on my second PC also? No, because I have allowed only this IP address to communicate to internet. Okay. So let's go to the VPC. Okay. And try to communicate. Here I go to. Let me try to ping the Google server 8.8.8.8. You can see that this PC cannot able to communicate to internet. This is the benefit of the firewall policy, that we can allow the specific services over the specific devices, right? So if you have any confusion here, all you can ask me in the comments. Okay. And have a nice day.